Hi, Anna here. So what we're going to do today is the fold and pop card. I've got the dies already laid out. We're just going to do the basic assembly. So we're not going to do the decorative panels, but you'll get lots of lovely decorative panels that you can finish this off with. So I've got the main die, which is this sort of cross-shaped die, and then these are your panels that will make it pop. So I'm going to pop those to one side. And I've already die cut my pieces. Now you can see I've already sort of reinforced my score lines, but I'll just show you what you need to do when you get your die cuts cut is do a mounting fold through the centre and then 2 diagonal valley folds. I've popped tape onto one corner on this sort of section, and then on the opposite side I've cut my rectangular panel, and again the center one you're going to do a mounting fold, and then the 2 side pieces we're going to do valley folds. What I'm going to do is just take off my tape, and when I place it down, what I want to do is line up this corner with this corner. So get that in there, line that up and stick that corner down, and then the same goes for this side. I'm lining this corner with this corner. You can see that just overlaps the edges a little bit. So when we fold it, that's how it folds. Okay, so now you can decorate that and keep it just as it is as a card like that, or what you can do is take an A4 piece of card, score it down the center, and then I've popped tape on both sides of these sort of house-shaped panels. And what I'm going to do is put this corner, this point, into the center of my card. Make sure that this edge is straight. Pop that down. And I'm going to remove the tape from this side, fold my card over, press it down, and there's the reveal. So that will all fold in, and you can put a secret message in there, and there it goes. And that's the basic fold and pop card complete.